I'm Renee.
And I'm Darryl, and welcome back to another R&DW Adventures. Today we've got more Wishables. I know that a lot of people kind of like the Wishable lines. We didn't really get into them because they're plush.
Yeah, and Fozzie steals everything.
Our dog loves the plush.
So he hasn't actually seen these.
Right.
He doesn't know about them.
So we have done one Wishable video so far.
Right.
And that was on the transportation series. Because they were just so cool, we had to try them. They were at the Disney outlet by us. Mm-hmm. And we got 2.
Oh, that's in fairness, we only did 4 though.
Right. And we got 2 different ones. So we've got the Mark Twain and the Ripley. Yeah, the EP Ripley. So we've got the Choo Choo and the boat.
Right. And we have 2 different kinds of Wishables today.
And we want the tram and the monorail from these, and we got 3 more.
Right.
We passed on one. They had 4 of these. They had 4 of these.
Right.
And these are the Small World.
We don't have any of these yet.
We have none of these, but they did have the 4 of these. One of them we were pretty sure was the
right. Because if you look on here, on the back, it says, squeeze me, pressez-moi, and we're pretty sure that it was another boat. So another Mark Twain, like Darryl just said.
So we're going to put those aside, and we're going to do these first. So you can get the honor of opening up the solo one.
Okay.
Since we only have 3.
Sorry they're noisy, but you squish them and we're like, this one feels different. Okay, so these are easier to open than pins, for sure.
I saw it already.
Okay.
Not that I don't like the train, but we already have 2.
Yeah, okay. Tradable, maybe, if anyone trades these. Not sure. We'll see.
So, you know what? I think I got a train again.
Really?
No! I got the tram.
Yay!
I got the tram.
More than one tram? Or is it more than one?
No, it's the monorail.
Monorail. Okay.
Hey, but at least we got this guy. Another tram?
Yeah. But,
of course.
Okay.
And I really wanted the monorail, but I do like the tram. The tram is funny.
So I think you should take one to work and you can keep it on your desk.
Oh, I don't want one at work.
Why? I can't have one at work because someone will take it. No, actually, the kids are pretty good about not taking my things.
All right, but
these are so cute. I want a penguin.
That's it. We still need the monorail.
No.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's the tram.
We don't have.
The monorail.
Yeah, we have 2 monorails, or 2 trams.
We need the monorail.
3 trains and 1 Mark Twain.
2.
Sorry, 2 Mark Twains. Yes. So
that's
we
okay.
need.
They're cute.
We need the monorail, and there's 3 different monorails.
So if anyone wants to trade, we have those extras. If you need those, let us know.
But now it's time for the Wishables from the.
And there's 4 of them.
The Small World series.
They're very cute.
So we've got the hippo, the penguin, the cactus, and the clock face. Now, of course, the clock face is the one that I want the most.
Of course. I don't remember the penguin in It's a Small World, but it's really cute.
Oh, yeah, I do.
Where? We need to go on it again.
Now, this one, I think, is the penguin.
Why do you think that? I think this is the cactus. This is the cactus.
All right, so let's see if we're right. Yes, I have the penguin.
And I have the cactus.
So these are a lot easier.
These are so cute. Look how cute that is.
Well, I know. This is just
They're
adorable.
adorable.
This is why people love the Wishables.
They don't stand up so much.
No.
Or sit up.
Okay, so this one.
Why? You think this is the hippo?
I think they're both the cactus. Or the
penguin.
Penguin.
I think you're right.
So we're going to have 3 of the one again. Nope, it's a cactus.
It's a penguin. Okay. Well, they're so cute.
This seems to be our luck with the Wishables. We get 2 and 2
of everything.
Yeah.
It's so cute. Look at his eyes. They got little stars on them.
Now these, we did not actually do the squeezy test.
No, because
They had 4, so we got all 4.
Right. I didn't do the squeezy test till just now when I said I think this is a cactus.
Well, and that was kind of the fun for this one, is we wanted to do the squeezy test.
They are super cute.
Now, for the Transit ones, we did the squeezy test because we already got 4 of them, and we didn't want to get the repeats.
Right.
And we still ended up getting 1 repeat.
Yeah, that's okay.
But at least these
are
guys,
adorable.
yeah, we got 2 unique ones, and I like the cactus. But the penguin is most awesome.
Absolutely. But you're right, the clock face would have been really cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, the clock face is uniquely Small World, which is why I want them.
Right. And today was crazy at the store. We were lucky to get in pretty quickly, but it was crazy. So I think next week we should go on Friday.
Well, and they had their twice annual sale at the Disney outlet.
It was a really good deal.
Great Lakes Crossing.
Really good deals on shirts.
Yeah, we got these were like what, $3?
Something like that.
So how can we pass that up?
Right.
But it was
never have too many T-shirts.
Yeah, true. But it was crazy because everyone's out there checking everything in the store out.
Right. And it's snowing.
And
well, it's not anymore, but it did all day.
These weren't there last week.
They were not. So maybe there will be more next week.
Yeah. And it could be that they pull more out today. And they also had the Alice in Wonderland bags, which we did not get.
Oh, I didn't even see those.
Those we're probably not going to get because I'm not so fond of them.
We should have thought about it though, because while we were in line, other people were asking for things, and she was just going back in the back and getting them. So next time, we'll ask. Can't hurt.
So there we go. We've got
Wishables.
Yeah, we got the cactus and the penguin wishables, and we've done 2 different sets in one video. Probably no more wishables for a while because
they're expensive.
Well, they're
cute.
expensive. They're $10, but you know, for these little guys, they're expensive. I'd rather have the pins, but there were no pins.
Yeah.
And these were just fun anyway.
Yes.
All right, so that's going to do it for this one. Make sure to click the subscribe button over there so that you get notified when we have more videos and live streams as well. And then on this side, we're going to have a bunch more of these product openings just like this.